Hello from TheBestVPN.UK, the leading VPN and security review team bringing to you our wealth of experience within internet security and censorship. Today, in this video, we are going to talk to you about this VPN. Let's dive right in. As you can see, while I am scrolling down the page, you can find a detailed review of this VPN on our website, so I don't want to spend too much time going into too many details right now. More importantly, the VPN provider has given us a special discount coupon, and we want to share this with you today before it expires. This basically means that if you buy your VPN through our website, you will get a special discount not available to other people. Cool, right? Simply browse to our website, there is a link below in the description, then click on the VPN review here and click the Go To button here. You will then be taken to a special pricing page with our discounted prices. This is already a great VPN, but now at a discounted price, trial and coupon. So with zero risk, you can test this VPN, and if it doesn't quite work how you were hoping, then you can simply get your money back. The interface of Vypr VPN is very clean, very smooth, and it has a nice style. On the first screen, you can see information about you. This is your public IP address, which you must have before you connect. You can then choose to connect to the fastest server or select an account. Here, you can see your favorites list. If you plan to put some countries under favorites, regardless, you'll still see a list of all the available countries. You can filter the countries by speed, region, or favorite. You can also search the name of a country. For example, I want to connect to Hong Kong. I type Hong Kong onto the search bar, click connect, and the connection starts. If you want to cancel the connection, just click cancel or disconnect. In this tab, you can find the options, help, information, and other similar tabs. We'll focus on the options. The options panel is very clean. You have the option to connect automatically or connect upon startup. We also have the kill switch, a very important function. It basically stops all the internet traffic when you get disconnected. You can also set it to connect automatically when you're in a trusted place. Choose the protocol if you want a faster connection or a safer one, or instead use the protocol Chameleon. It's basically a protocol made by Vypr VPN for attempts to connect to China. You can decide to use the Vypr VPN DNS, which is something we highly recommend, and keep the DNS leak protection on. We also have the General tab, which is basic information, if you want to change the language, if you want to turn on notifications, etc. You can go to the Advanced tab, but I suggest you don't touch anything if you don't know what you're doing. You can also save information about your account in case the connection dies. This is all for Vypr VPN's functions. Vypr VPN is a VPN that works without following Netflix. So if you're abroad, for example, and you want to watch Netflix US, click the Connect button. Or for example, you want to unlock a list of all the movies available on Netflix, you can. All you need to do is select the server you want to connect to. In our example, we want to connect to USA. You should be connected after a few seconds, depending on the distance between countries. In this case, for example, we are already connected. We have an American IP address. To see if it works, go to Netflix. Select any movie. For example, I'm going with Thor. And as you can see, it starts without problems, and Netflix works. Vypr VPN is not one of the best VPNs we can suggest for torrenting because it has a log. But if you want to download a torrent, of course, we don't promote downloading illegal torrents. For example, we are now connecting to a server in the US. Once we're connected, we will launch a torrent using QBitTorrent. Now that we have connected, we click the torrent to download. I'll open QBitTorrent. I have my Ubuntu Linux free version torrenting. You can download by clicking Start, so I click Start. Vypr VPN works. Here is a quick summary of this fantastic VPN service. Did you learn something new in this video? Then make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Now we want to turn it over to you. What do you think about this video? Let us know by leaving your comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon below if you found this video helpful. Then please share this video around the internet to help our community grow. Also, if you want exclusive VPN tips and the latest discounts that we only share with subscribers, head over to our website and follow us on Facebook. See you in the next one.